Hi, who are you? What's your name? So today he's a little bit camera shy, but I haven't told him yet what my plans are. So I started a YouTube channel today, and we're going to be talking about Bonaire. And yes, you are going to be the center point also, because he is one of the pro windsurfers. This morning I already uploaded a video regarding the windsurfers, and he is also one of the skillful ones. As part of the routine, we also have to do some cardio. So today he's joining me in a nature walk. See you guys soon.